Now we are going to create a resource. Before we move forward, let me just explain quickly what MCP resource is and how to use it. In MCP, a resource is a structured piece of data that server exposes. You can think like this is a GET request from REST API. Resources actually provide information. Once you understand this, MCP becomes much easier to understand. Alright, let's move forward and see this in action. @mcp.resource mcp.resource, the resource will be calendar :/events, and then it will be date. This is not going to be a f string, so let me just get rid of it, and here it is going to be div event by date. Okay, and the date will be string format. This function is going to return a list of events on the specific date. Start time is equal, this is going to be f string, and let me pass date, then t, and the time will be 00 semicolon 00 and then 00 z. Copy and paste it below. It will be end time will be 23 and 59, and here it will be 59, and here we are going to return list events, and it will take a start time and end time. Actually, we haven't created this list event. Let me just copy and paste it here with a comma, and we're going to create that list event function in here, def list event, and let me just copy this line and paste it here, and it will be, I'll take few parameters in this function. First one will be minimum time underscore mean will be none by default, then time underscore max will be none by default, then we'll have max results. Max result is going to be 250, and I have used this curly braces which is not required in Python, therefore I'm going to use this colon. And here I'm going to write a few logic. If not min time min or not time underscore max, then it will do something. If there is no minimum or maximum time, then it will start from the first day of the next month. So let's try it. Import date time, and let's set a variable now is equal. Let's take this now in here, date time dot now date time dot time zone dot UTC. Here we are going to take the first day. First day is equal now dot replace day is equal on, comma, hour 0, minutes 0, and second 0, then microsecond 0 as well. So the first day of current month is going to be here. Okay, and here we are going to check if now dot month is equal 12. If it is the last month, which is December, then it will go for next month is equal first date dot replace day is actually year. It is going to be year first. Year is going to be now year. Now dot year plus on, which is next year, and month is going to be 1. Month is on. Else we are going to do next month is equal first day dot replace. Let me just copy this and we don't need to use this year. Let me get rid of it. Now dot month plus 1.